First of all, for Nissan to start producing them, they really needed to ramp up its Minicars production because the company has been the most China-dependent Japanese car maker, and as Chinese consumers are still avoiding Japanese cars, leading Nissan to be the only company among 7 major car makers here to post an operating profit smaller than the previous year. And the Minicar market being the only decently growing segment in Japan, Nissan really wants to tap into it. Minicars, also known as K in Japan, which means light in English, are cars with engines smaller than 660 cc, easy to handle, and the sales have been resilient even during the recession, growing for 19 consecutive months as the government lowered purchase tax on top of other favorable regulations. And passenger Minicar sales jumped to a record for the fiscal year 2013 and now accounts for about a staggering 42% of new passenger vehicles sold in Japan. Mark?
Aika, American car makers are voicing concern over Japan's peculiar, they're saying, mini cars, saying it's a sort of protectionism. How does Nissan's recent entry into this market play into the competition between car makers in the US and Japan?
And that's exactly right. The U.S. car industry and lawmakers closely associated with it have already voiced a position to allow Japan to join the Trans-Pacific Partnership talks, which is a trade pact that Japan is very keen to join. An American Automotive Policy Council, a powerful lobby comprising big threes, has been criticizing Japan's market to be closed, asking to scrap tax favors for mini cars, specifically speaking, on the grounds that they are keeping out American as well as other foreign cars. So not only American car makers, but European car makers also voicing some concerns about mini cars. Japan's also pushing trade talks with the Eurozone, so certainly this mini car market will be further scrutinized. Mark?